Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good in the crypto hood, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic. Thanks for jumping back into another jacobcrypobury video. We're going to check out Fantom today, one of our favorite infrastructure projects. We're going to look at the price, the analysis, and some exciting news as to where this coin could potentially go in the upcoming weeks. We've had a bit of a bloodbath recently, but it looks like we are going to at least soar back through that $2.10 mark quite soon, which is one of my take profit zones. But let's see what it can do. So just to start with a little bit of news, we can see a new decentralized finance dApp expands its farm. Alpaca Finance brings leverage yield farming to Fantom, so this will help with the total value locked. So that's launched on the Fantom network today, so more growth, more dApps are operating on the particular ecosystem, so that looks pretty good to see. That we've also got this Alpaca roadmap on Fantom over here. Pretty bullish to see. And we can also see here with the total value locked on DeFi Llama, we've still got $11.13 billion for the TVL on Fantom. So that's super bullish. It looks really strong. And you can see that number is holding really strong at 11.3 billion as well. And these are part of the different chains that are also locked in to providing to that total value locked. So it's really, really good to see this sort of growth for Fantom right now. So before we hop into those charts, make sure you do smash that subscribe button if you are new here so you don't miss out on news and potential gains opportunities. Make sure you also join that Discord down in the description below. You can find that. It's completely free and it is open for now, but I will lock it soon, so make sure you jump in, guys, whilst it's still open. So Fantom is trading at $2.05, rank 32. It's slowly climbing the ladder once again with a market cap of 5.2 billion, and we can see that 24 trading hour volume, 600 million right there. Almost got a fully diluted market cap. On the 30 days we're down 32%, 7 days we're down 11%, but we have got a nice little bounce on that daily time frame. So Fantom, time and time again I've said that $2 is really strong entry usually for Fantom. I mean, there's a lot of support around this particular level, this kind of range as well, between 178 to that sort of $2 mark. It does prove to be a key area of support. And what's happened here on this daily time frame is we can see that we bounced off at almost the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. The volume has dropped off, and we're back under that 20-day moving average now. So maybe we're going to retest and start seeing a bit of an uptrend. We've got rejected that this very key support. This is flipped back into resistance at that $2.04 mark, and we're waiting to break through, and maybe we're going to come up and retest one of these resistance levels at around that 238 mark. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, guys, we can see we've got a huge bounce. It looks super bullish, super bullish. But again, we want to see this resistance here broken, this $2.06 level, as then to come up and potentially retest at $2.38. It does look like we are breaking out. As you can see, we've broken out of that sort of falling wedge right here. And yeah, hopefully we're going to get a bit of consolidation here, and we'll see another pump to the upside in the near future. On the hourly time frame, it looks like we're putting through those high highs, those high lows. We're just getting that consolidation at the moment. A little bit overbought on the RSI, but on the 4 hour as well, we're not really seeing any bearish divergence. The price comes down, the RSI comes down as well. It looks like we found a good consolidation zone for Fantom, and hopefully in the near future, I mean, we're going to sort of put through another retest on $2.38, because the more times we retest this resistance level, the more likely we are to break back through. So $2.06 is a big key area for Fantom right now. If we do break through that $2.06 resistance, I think we're going to make our way to 238. Of course, we do have support levels to look out for around about this 184 level as well. Lots of support along here. So should we get rejected, because we're really trading in this range at the moment, should we get rejected, maybe we retest that support at $1.82. Very bullish on Fantom. I think it's a fantastic project. We've seen a nice bounce here, and we haven't come down to these other support levels yet. Another thing to consider is if we do get a Fibonacci retracement, bring that up. That is just below the 0.618, 0.786 Fibonacci, so it's usually a good time to accumulate within a bull market. So that's about it. I'm still bullish on Fantom, and I think we're going to get $3.78 at some point this year, and that's not even a double on the market cap. So achieving that would mean a market capital of less than 10 billion. So it's very, very achievable for this project. And it looks like we're potentially going to get a bounce retest $2.38 in the near future. So that's about wrap the Fantom, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the subscribe, leave a comment below, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.